Hey guys, first of all, wish you Happy New Year. And today I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G. And I also give away this Samsung S23 FE. And guys, actually this will be my biggest giveaway ever. But this giveaway, you will have to follow some terms and conditions. Guys, you can see terms and conditions in description. And remember, only those follow terms and conditions will be able to participate in this giveaway. So, let's begin. Okay, upper side you can see Galaxy S23 FE name mentioned in this box. Right side Samsung logo and back side some details in this box. Now open. This is user manual and SIM ejector tool. User manual and SIM ejector tool, and also Type C to Type C USB cable. Look at this design. Guys, in hand feel and looking also premium. Okay, right side power on off button and volume rockers. Upper side noise cancelling mic and SIM ejector. And downside charging port, speakers and mic also. And back side guys, you can see triple camera setup. Okay, we get to see guys Samsung Exynos 2200 processor in this device. And this device available in two variant, 8GB and 128GB, and also 8GB and 256GB. Okay, now you can see in display fingerprint, speed, average, decent. We get to see One UI 6.1 version with Android 14. Okay, we get to see 6.4-inch AMOLED dynamic 120Hz HDR support display. And guys, backside you can see triple camera setup. 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel telephoto camera. This is camera UI, and in this device you can record 8K 24 fps, 4K 60 fps and 30 fps, and also record Full HD 30 and 60 fps. And front side you also record 4K 60 and 30 fps and also Full HD 60 and 30 fps. In screen you can see some sample photos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am telling again, who follow the terms and conditions will be able to participate in this giveaway. And guys, check out description and follow terms and conditions. And guys, winner I will announce after complete 5 lakh views in this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.